Hey car enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of DSG gearboxes. What exactly is a DSG and why is it making waves in the automotive industry? Stick around to find out. What is a DSG and background? DSG stands for Direct Shift Gearbox, a breakthrough in the realm of automatic transmissions that elevates speed and efficiency to unprecedented heights. But to truly appreciate the genius of the DSG, we must first take a step back to explore the challenges it was designed to overcome. Developed by Volkswagen, the DSG has become synonymous with cutting-edge performance, finding its way into the hearts of automotive enthusiasts worldwide. Yet Volkswagen isn't the only marque to harness the power of this technology. Audi, Seat, and Skoda, among others, have also embraced the DSG, incorporating it into their vehicles to provide drivers with an exhilarating driving experience. This adoption across various brands underlines the DSG's universal appeal and its role in redefining automotive performance standards. Cars that use DSG and why. The versatility of the DSG gearbox allows it to be featured in an eclectic mix of vehicles, from nimble compact hatchbacks that zip through city streets to formidable sports cars that dominate the racetrack. But what drives the widespread adoption of DSG across such a diverse range of cars? The answer lies in its unique ability to merge the effortless operation of an automatic transmission with the rapid, precise shifts of a manual gearbox. This hybrid design appeals to those who demand the thrill of engaging driving dynamics without compromising the convenience and comfort of an automatic, especially in the stop-and-go rhythm of urban traffic. How DSG differs from other gearboxes. To grasp the innovation behind the DSG, it's crucial to understand what sets it apart from conventional gearboxes. Traditional automatic transmissions rely on a torque converter to manage the transfer of power from the engine to the transmission. The DSG, on the other hand, revolutionizes this process with its dual-clutch system. This ingenious design pre-selects the next gear before you've even left the current one, enabling gear changes that are not just fast but seamless. The result? A driving experience characterized by uninterrupted power delivery and efficiency, making every shift feel like a meticulously orchestrated performance. Driving and maintaining a DSG. Simply select drive and the car takes care of the rest, offering a smooth and responsive journey. However, the key to preserving this seamless experience lies in diligent maintenance. Regular fluid changes stand at the core of DSG care, acting as the lifeblood of the gearbox's performance and longevity. Most automakers suggest a DSG oil change every 40,000 miles, but it's vital to consult your vehicle's manual for tailored guidance. This not only ensures optimal performance, but also safeguards against premature wear, keeping your driving experience as exhilarating as the day you first turned the key. Reliability of DSG. A question that often surfaces among potential and current owners alike is the reliability of DSG transmissions. The consensus among experts and users points to a high level of dependability, assuming a commitment to maintenance. DSG gearboxes, with their sophisticated design and engineering, are built to endure. Yet their longevity hinges on adherence to service schedules. Ignoring routine maintenance can invite trouble, diminishing reliability. It's a simple formula. Follow the manufacturer's service guidelines, and your DSG should serve you faithfully for miles on end. Lifespan of a DSG. The lifespan of a DSG transmission can be a testament to the marvel of modern engineering when maintained with care. Properly looked after, a DSG can surpass the 100,000 mile mark without breaking a sweat, continuing to deliver the performance and efficiency it's renowned for. Key to this endurance is a strict adherence to recommended service intervals. Regular checks and maintenance not only prevent common issues, but also ensure that every journey is as enjoyable as possible. With the right care, your DSG-equipped vehicle is set to be a long-lasting companion on countless adventures. In conclusion, the DSG gearbox has revolutionized the driving experience, offering the best of both automatic and manual worlds. Whether you're commuting in the city or tearing up the open road, DSG provides a seamless and exhilarating driving experience. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights into the world of automotive technology. Thanks for tuning in today. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts on DSG gearboxes, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, happy driving.